Aloha, it's Jessica Baker with Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers, here for my newest listing at the Southpointe condos here in North Kihei. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bath unit, number 3203. Let's take a look around. The second floor unit is located in the quiet back corner of this pet-friendly complex. And since 2017, the seller has redone absolutely everything inside. My favorite part is the kitchen. There's solid wood, soft close cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and then this beautiful granite backsplash and countertop with an extra bar overhang for seating in the open kitchen. The living room has great views, solid bamboo flooring, and new ceiling fans, plus a new AC. Out here in the lanai, you can see all the way from the top of Haleakala crater to a little peekaboo ocean view. As we move through the unit, you'll see that the whole space was just freshly painted last month. Now in the hallway, this is the first of 2 bathrooms, freshly painted playful color and great custom tile work. Now we're entering the master suite, so it's all closed off behind a single door if you choose. This bathroom also has more of that great tile work. It gives it an artistic flair. And then behind the doorway is a new, less than a year old, stackable washer and dryer unit. This primary bedroom has high quality laminate flooring, is large enough for a king size bed, and has 2 closets. The second bedroom's a good size too. More of that same flooring, fresh paint, and new ceiling fans. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today on this brief tour of Southpointe 3203. For more information or to make an appointment to schedule an in-person or video tour, give me a call at 808-250-0840. Aloha from Maui.